Hi, my name is Hyukjae Kwark, and I would like to introduce my 15112 term project. My 15112 term project is a organic synthesis tool, and which is formed in two modes. One is the reaction mode, and one is the mechanism mode. And the reaction mode would show you how your initial compound would change with the input of the following reactions you choose, and the mechanism mode would suggest you a mechanism to change your reactant to your product in a few steps. So basically, both modes has a entry and a draw button. And in the entry you have to enter the IUPAC name of the compound you want. So basically, it would be a form like this, and if you press the draw button, it would draw the structure for you. So if you see here, if you change this 2 to a 3, you'll see this hydroxy move to the bottom. And if you change this hydroxy to a chloro, it would change to a Cl. And with that, it works for also linear structures, such as this one. So this one's a linear structure with this alkene and an amide and two chloros. So basically, it works for like almost all organic compounds, and it also works for final functional groups, such as this one. So to start with the reaction mode, you start with entering a compound you want, and the Feel So Good button would remember your last recent input of a chemical compound, so it will save it for you and automatically input it. So if you let's try pressing this button right now, and this is the compound I have inputted in the most recently input, and let's try doing chemical reactions with this compound. So let's try oxidizing this compound first, which would make this secondary alcohol to a ketone and a first primary alcohol to a carboxylic acid. And also let's try the reduction reaction with a strong reduction reagent, which will make it to the original product again. And use PCC, which is a weaker oxidation reagent. It would change it to the primary alcohol to an aldehyde, and with some modifications, so if you use NaBH4, which is a weaker reducing reagent, the carboxylic acid would remain, and the ketone would be reduced to a secondary alcohol. And also note that it works for also substitution reactions and other reactions. So this would change the hydroxys to Cl. And basically what the reset button does is it discards all the reactions you have done before and goes to the initial compound again like this. So that's it for the reaction mode. And for the mechanism mode, can first you enter the reactant and product and draw it, and then you be ready for the mechanism. So you try drawing this one, and your product, expected product here. It will be a diol. So you're trying to put a alcohol in the primary location right here, and can, as I believe, it cannot be done in one process. So if you press go right here, it suggests you a mechanism, which is the short step. It would be 2 steps, and the short step would be making the alcohol to an alkene, and then adding OSO4 to make a diol. So this would be the shortest steps mechanism to make the product from the reactant. So this is about it for my term project of organic synthesis tool, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.